Hello and welcome to Daily Salar Digital. You're watching the news print and let's look at the news that made the headlines today. A mass shooting occurred on Thursday at Charles University in Prague in Czech Republic, resulting in the death of at least 14 people and injured over 25 others. The shooter, identified as a 25-year-old student named David Kozak, carried out what is now considered the worst ever mass shooting in the history of the Czech Republic. President Petr Pavel declared Saturday as a day of mourning, during which flags on official buildings will be lowered to half-mast. Additionally, people are urged to observe a minute of silence at noon to honor the victims of this unprecedented mass shooting in the country. Heavily armed terrorists ambushed an army convoy in Jammu and Kashmir's Rajouri, resulting in 4 soldiers killed and 3 injured. The People's Anti-Fascist Front (PAFF), linked to Lashkar-e-Taiba, claimed responsibility. Former Chief Ministers Ghulam Nabi Azad and Mehbooba Mufti condemned the attack. The Indian Army saluted the soldiers' bravery. Disturbing images from the site emerged and a search operation is underway. The possibility of hand-to-hand combat is not ruled out. Authorities are actively gathering more information on the incident. Leaders from the Indian National Developmental Inclusive Alliance India bloc rallied nationwide against the unprecedented suspension of 146 MPs during the winter session. Congress President Mallikarjun Kharge, Rahul Gandhi and other alliance members voiced their concerns at Delhi's Jantar Mantar, emphasizing the importance of democratic conduct. The suspensions were a result of disruptions following the December 13 Parliament security breach. Kharge criticized the government for neglecting the security breach issue with Parliament, leading to a widespread protest across the nation. Following an incident in Kolar where students were reportedly compelled to clean a soak pit, another shocking episode emerged in Amrahalli, with pupils allegedly forced to clean toilets. A viral video intensified outrage, prompting parents to protest and demand strict action against the school administration. The Education Department swiftly suspended the school's headmistress. Karnataka Deputy Chief Minister D.K. Shivkumar expressed concern, calling for a meeting and emphasizing that children should not be misused for such tasks. Primary and Secondary Education Minister Madhu Bangarappa condemned the incident, assuring their strictest legal action to prevent such occurrences in the future. Bengaluru Crime Branch Police have apprehended 2 individuals from Andhra Pradesh, Yuvraj alias Laptop Giri and Prabhu M, along with their accomplice Satya Velu from Tamil Nadu, for stealing laptops and mobile phones from techies paying guest residences in North Bengaluru. The arrest followed constables noticing suspicious activity near MS Ramaiah Medical College, leading to the recovery of 50 laptops and 7 mobile phones worth Rs 16 lakhs. The trio was linked to 25 theft cases in the Yashwantpur region, with police now searching for 4 receivers of the stolen goods. In Bengaluru, a 30-year-old police constable R. Sanjay, posted at the Chief Minister's office, died on Thursday from burn injuries sustained days earlier. The accused, Rani, a 35-year-old woman with whom Sanjay had a relationship, allegedly set him on fire. They had met while working at Baswangudi police station in 2020. On December 6, a heated argument ensued after Sanjay discovered intimate messages on Rani's phone. In a chilling turn of events, Rani fulfilled her threat to set him ablaze. Initially claiming a faulty gas stove, Sanjay later accused Rani. She denies the allegations, asserting that he set himself on fire. Rani was arrested on Thursday. The cost of commercial cooking gas (LPG) was reduced by Rs 39.50 per 19 kg cylinder, in line with the decline in international benchmarks. The new price for commercial LPG used in hotels and restaurants will be Rs 1,757 per 19 kg cylinder in the national capital, down from the previous 1,796 Rs 50 paise, according to oil companies in a price notification. However, the price for domestic LPG utilized in household kitchens for cooking remained unchanged at Rs 903 per 14.2 kg cylinder. Dean Elgar, the former captain of South Africa, announced his retirement from international cricket at the conclusion of upcoming 2 Test series against India, beginning on December 26 in Centurion. Having made his debut in 2012, Elgar has participated in 84 tests. The left-handed batsman has got 5,146 runs at an average of 37. 7.28, including 13 centuries and 23 50s. The 36-year-old also had a brief stint in white ball cricket, featuring in 8 ODs, with his last appearance in that format back to 2018. Vijendra Singh, a Congress leader and Olympic gold medalist boxer, has expressed his disappointment regarding wrestler Sakshi Malik's retirement, saying that the sports industry is upset with the decision. He called it a black day in the history of sports, questioning whether parents would still send their daughters to stadiums after this development. He called for the Prime Minister, Vice President and President to address the reasons behind Malik's retirement. The retirement announcement came after Sanjay Singh was elected as the new president of the Wrestling Federation of India, prompting Olympic medalist Malik to retire from wrestling on Thursday. The Malayalam film 2018 Everyone is a Hero, India's official entry for the International Feature Film category at the 2024 Academy Awards, is out of the Oscars race. The film, directed by Jude Anthony Joseph, did not secure a spot on the shortlist of 15 films in its category, as revealed by the Academy of Motion Picture Arts and Sciences. The leading contenders for the category are considered to be Jonathan Glazer's historical drama The Zone of Interest, from the UK Denmark's The Promised Land, and Japan's Perfect Days. The 96th Academy Awards are scheduled to take place on March 10, 2024 in Los Angeles. Well, those were the key updates for today. Stay informed by tuning into Daily Salar Digital, and don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe for more timely updates.